Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Garden, a complete knowledge workshop.
Welcome to today's class. Previously, we have discussed about phrase and sentence, and also we have made a practice worksheet. So, now today we will discuss the various types of sentence. So, how types of sentences are classified. तो विभिन्न प्रकार सेंटेंस केमिति तैयारी हुए सेंटेंस में वाक्य गोटे प्रकार न थाए तो विभिन्न प्रकार थाए तेणु आमे कहा कहा को को कौन सी कहा उपरे कहा को बेस करिकी कहा को नहीं की आमे वाक्यटा को तैयारी करिबा. So on the which basis sentences can be prepared or sentences can be formed. So these can be classified on the basis of the following characters. First one is their structure and purpose. Their structure and purpose. Then whether the verb require an object to make sentence and number and type of clauses they contain. तो ये तीन प्रकार शैली रे आमे वाक्यर विभागीकरण करिबा. तो प्रथम विभागीकरण होची कोन का पर बेस करिकि ना स्ट्रक्चर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर स्ट्रक्चर एंड पर्पस ऑन व्हिच पर्पस द सेंटेंस इज फॉर्मिंग को उद्देश्य रे को उपाय रे तार गठन आमे करि परिबा. तो से अनुसार आमे विभागीकरण करूचे. आउ कहा पर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वेदर वर्ब रिक्वायर्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट टू मेक ए सेंटेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट दरकार ना नहीं. आमे ऑब्जेक्ट विषय रे जते बेले आमे पढिबा ए क्लासिफिकेशन टा 2 नंबर से बी क्लासिफिकेशन टा सेते बेले आमे ऑब्जेक्ट कोन ऑब्जेक्ट रो सब्जेक्ट सहित संपर्क कोन व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट कोन व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. Here we will be clear. So in third category we will see the number and type of clauses. Clause कौन हम इंग्लिश रे क्लॉज पढ़िबा आगु को एगुडी को सब क्लियर हबो. तो क्लॉज कौन मु कहिबी तो ताको हम ट्रांजय वर्ब रे जते बेले ए स्ट्रक्चर ता पढ़िबा सेते बेले मु क्लॉज कौन एठी कहिबी तो सेते बेले हमें properly बुझी पारिबा. So we will be clear all about different classification after one by one discussion. One by one discussion we will be clear. So on the basis of structure and purpose the sentences can be again divided as declarative or assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, then imperative sentence, then exclamatory sentence. Then on the basis of requirement of the object in the sentence, sentences can be transitive sentence and intransitive sentence. Sentence कहि परिबा आउ ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं कि intransitive sentence बोली कहि परिबा. Again on the basis of the number and type of clauses, clause को नहीं कि हमें divide करिबा. So according to the clause simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Simple sentence का कहबा, compound sentence का कहबा, complex sentence का कहबा. तो ए हिसाब रे हमें sentence को divide करूचे. So these are the classification or typology of sentences. So on the basis of structure and purpose what we can do, we have already divided into different groups of sentences or typology of sentences. So first one is a declarative sentence. याको मध्य हमें कौन कहू ओडिया रे विवृत्ति सूचक वाक्य बोली मध्य कहा जाए. So what is a declarative sentence? A statement The sentence is a statement. That is a statement refers to the sentence with fact, action, speech, and ends with a full stop. It can be positive and it can be negative. We have already discussed what is positive sentence and what is negative sentence. So, a sentence is a declarative sentence. When we will tell a sentence a declarative sentence, केतेବେଳେ ଆମେ declarative sentence କହିବା? When that refers to the fact, जोटा ठीक सत्य, ताकू action गोटे काम करूचे. I am playing, I am doing, I am jumping. एटा action और speech किछि गोटे कथा अन्य मन को कहूचे, तो किछि बुझाउचे, तो सेगुड़ा गला कन विवृत्ति सूचक. सेतिपय ता कहले विवृत्ति, हम विवृत्ति दउचे हमर स्टेटमेंट को सेंटेंस एंड इट एंड्स विथ ए फुल स्टॉप. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. I am coming to your house. I am coming to your house. So what I am telling to somebody, मु जानु कहूची, मो विवृत्ति प्रदान करूची, मु कहूची जे मु तुम घर को जाउची. So this is a speech. I am telling somebody. So this is a declarative sentence and it ended with the full stop. It ended with the full stop. Now come to the interrogative sentence. प्रश्न सूचक वाक्य. Interrogative sentence हमें क्या कहबा? Structure और purpose हिसाब रे. So it is a sentence, the interrogative sentence that refers to the question statement. It is a question, प्रश्न सूचक वाक्य से कह जाउचे. So it can be used to ask many things. बहुत सारा हमें जहाँ इच्छा मन रे हम पचारि परिबा, तो ताको हमें कहबा question sentence. In this type of sentence, the verb or part of the verb comes before the subject. Subject aguru se gudiko ase. It starts with question words like WH words. Which are the WH words? How, where, when, which, what, whom. So these are the WH words. And helping verbs like are you a boy? Are is the helping verb. Is he ready to come here? Is the helping verb. So when I am asking, are you a boy? The answer will be in yes or no form. Yes, I am a boy, or yes, I am. No, I am not a boy. So this is the question starts before the subject and ends with a question mark. Question mark re sariba. Question mark re sariba. Some of the examples of these interrogative sentences that who are you? How is his condition of the health or health? Will you come with me? Are they students? So in this sentence, the sentence started with this WH word. And here will and are. So these are helping verbs. These are helping verbs. So the sentences, this kind of sentences started with WH word and also helping verb and ends with the question mark. Ends with the question mark. So these are the some of the examples of interrogative sentence. So imperative sentence. Now imperative sentence adesha, anurodha, upadesha, ashirvada सूचक वाक्य. So what is an imperative sentence? The sentences which express order, request, advice, command, blessings, wishes, instructions, warning, etc. are called imperative sentence. जो वाक्य आमको किछि आदेश, अनुरोध, उपदेश और कमांड बा आमको आगो को जीवा पाई किछि इंस्ट्रक्शन दउथबो त कमांड बोली कहंती. ब्लेसिंग्स आशीर्वाद, विशेष हमें अन्यर अभिनंदन करिबा आउ वार्निंग हमें वार्निंग देवा वाक्य आछि वार्निंग. नाउ we will discuss about these imperative sentences. Order, bring me a cup of tea. Request, please help me. Advice, be punctual on your duty. Command, go ahead. Blessings, may God bless you a baby girl. Wishes, wish you a happy life. Instruction, don't write anything on the question paper. Warning, stay alert, the cyclone is ahead. So these are some of the examples of imperative sentence. Some of the examples of imperative sentence. So order, somebody is ordering to give him or her a cup of tea. Request, somebody is request for help, advice. Somebody is advising to be punctual on the duty. Command, die mood, like this. These are the command. Blessing, somebody is blessing some person, a baby girl. So these are the examples of imperative sentences. एगुड़ा कहला imperative sentence बा एगुड़ा को कहा जाउची आदेश, अनुग्रह, हमर आशीर्वाद इत्यादि. तो यही सब गुड़ा कहला हमर imperative sentence. Now we will discuss about exclamatory sentence. The sentence expresses strong or sudden feelings such as excitement, dislike, surprise or astonishment. They generally begin with what and how, the WH word. The verb comes after the subject. The sentence ends with a exclamatory mark. Sometimes the sentence can be written without a verb. So, exclamation, astonishment, a sudden feeling. When we will express these kind of sentences, these are called exclamatory sentence. Suppose we are going on the road. Somebody is falling. So what we are saying? Oh, he is falling from the bike. So this is exclamation, a sudden happening, and we are expressing our feeling. Exclamatory बाको विस्मय सूचक वाक्य बोली मध्य आमे कहिथाउ. विस्मय सूचक वाक्य जेतेबेले हठात किसी घटना घटी जाए बा आमे आश्चर्यान्वित होइताउ तो सेतेबेले जो शब्द बा वाक्य आम पाटिरु बाहरे हठात बाहरे तो ताको आमे विस्मय सूचक वाक्य बोली कहिथाउ. दैट इज कॉल्ड exclamatory sentence. ताको आमे exclamatory sentence बोली कहिथाउ, विस्मय सूचक वाक्य बोली कहिथाउ. So in this sentence the verb comes after the subject, and in some cases the sentences can be written without verb, and the sentence always ends with a exclamatory mark बा आश्चर्य सूचक चिन्ह विस्मय सूचक चिन्ह रे ए वाक्यटी सरी थाए. केतेबेले आउ कोन होता ना हमर मुख्य कर्ता परे क्रिया आसी थाए वाक्य रे. आरंभ रे बेले बेले मध्य हमें वाक्य आरंभ रे WH वर्ड जोटा हाउ, वेयर, जे गुडा को WH वर्ड कहंती एठी हमें व्हाट और हाउ प्रायतः व्यवहार करिथाउ. वी यूज व्हाट एंड हाउ in these exclamatory sentences. Let's have some examples. Oh God, my head is aching. So it is the sudden feeling. हठात feeling आसला जे मुंडटा मोर भारी जोरे बिंधा होची. Another one, let's take this, then after that I will tell. Ah, don't touch my wound. जनक गोड़ कि हाथ में कि घा जाए अन्य जने छुई दे तो अन्य जन जोरे पार्टी करी कहूची आ डोंट टच माय वुंड मत कष्ट होची तो इट इज द सडन फीलिंग सो हियर सी व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर हाउ बिग इट इज सो इन दिस सेंटेंस these are exclamatory sentences here you see here no verb is there here also no verb is there ei dita re dekho verb nai jetebele ame previous slide रे ame कहथिले जे ame बेले बेले यूज करूने व्यवहार करूने का को verb भी बेले बेले यूज हुए नै देखो एठी is एठी verb helping verb लागि छि हां acting एठी verb लागि छि किंतु ए दिटा जगह देखो what a beautiful flower how big it is ए दिटा रे verb लागि नाही and आउ कोन आइछि ना exclamatory mark usage व्यवहार आइछि so we use exclamatory mark and in some sentences there is no verb and in some sentences there is verb also. Come to the practice worksheet. Identify the type of sentences. Identify the type of sentences. What is the color of your shirt? The weather is very cold. Keep your shoes outside. How beautiful the mountains are. The teacher is my best guide. You are really funny. Clean your dishes. Where are you going? Mohan is fond of cakes. Turn off the lights. So these are the sentences. You identify which type of sentences all these are. Okay, now go to the solution. What is the color of your shirt? In this sentence, WH word, what is used? And there is a question mark. So, this is an interrogative sentence. This is an interrogative sentence. Question sentence. The weather is very cold. So this is a statement about the cold weather. So it ends with a full stop. So this is a affirmative sentence. This is a affirmative sentence or declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Keep your shoes outside. This is instruction. This is instruction. So it is imperative sentence. It is imperative sentences. How beautiful the mountains are. Here how is used, we have already discussed in the exclamatory sentence. How, what can be used. Then here is the exclamatory mark. So it is the exclamatory sentence. The teacher is my best guide. So it is only the statement. This is the speech of somebody. We have already discussed in the declarative sentence. The definition of declarative sentence we have already discussed. So the speech can be a declarative sentence. The teacher is my best guide. So it is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. You are really funny. So this is the exclamatory mark, so it is the exclamatory sentence. Clean your dishes, so this is an instruction also, so it is imperative sentence, so it is imperative sentence. Where are you going? Here is the WH word, here is the question mark, so it is interrogative sentence, it is interrogative sentence. Mohan is fond of cakes, it is a statement, so it is a declarative sentence, it is a declarative sentence. Then turn off the lights, this is the instruction, so it is imperative sentence, it is imperative sentence. तो एठी हमें कौन आलोचना करुचे, which are which kind of sentences, ए sentences गुड़ा को वाक्य गुड़ा को की प्रकार वाक्य. What is the color of your shirt, तो एटा हला जेतु एठी कौन अछि क्वेश्चन वर्ड, what, how, where, when, एगुड़ा को अछि WH वर्ड, क्वेश्चन वर्ड, तो क्वेश्चन वर्ड रो स्टार्ट हैला क्वेश्चन मार्क रे शेष हैला, तेणु एटा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस माने प्रश्नसूचक वाक्य, प्रश्न पचरा गले ए भलिया वाक्य व्यवहार हुए. द वेदर इज वेरी कोल्ड, डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, गोटे कंडीशन गोटे सिचुएशन को हमें कहूचे, तेणु एटा डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस बा पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को कहबा अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस भी कहि पारबे. कीप योर शूज आउटसाइड, एटा हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन दउचे, इंस्ट्रक्शन बा आदेश दउचे, ऑर्डर दउचे, ताले एठी हमें कहबा को इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस बा आदेशात्मक आदेश सूचनात्मक वाक्य. हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द माउंटेन्स आर, तो एठी हाउ व्हाट व्यवहार हो परिबो, हमें डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस रे पढिचे, एवं शेष रे कोन रहइबो एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क, विस्मय सूचक चिन्ह रहइबो, तेणु एटा हला विस्मय सूचक वाक्य एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. The teacher is my best guide, एटा गोटे स्पीच बा जनकर निजर स्टेटमेंट, तेणु एटा ला डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. You are really funny, तो एई सेंटेंस रे सेही एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क रहला बा विस्मय सूचक चिन्ह रहला, तेणु एटा हला एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. Clean your dishes, एटा भी इंपेरेटिव आदेश दिया जाउची बा गोटे किछि इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जाउची. Where are you going, एटी WH वर्ड क्वेश्चन वर्ड स्टार्ट हैला क्वेश्चन मार्क सरिला, तेणु एटा हला इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. तापरे मोहन इज फंड ऑफ केक्स, तो एटा डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. एथिरे मोहन केक भल पाए बोली कह जाउची, तेणु एटा गोटे साधारण स्टेटमेंट गोटे उक्ति, तेणु एटा हला डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. टर्न ऑफ द लाइट, ये मध्य हला इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस, कहीं ना एठी हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन देले. धन्यवाद. So many thanks all of you. Thanks for your patientful watching. So we have already discussed the classification of sentences on the basis of our purpose and structure. So in the coming video we will discuss about the classification of sentence on the basis of the object, on the basis of the object. So thank you again, and I request all of you, please go to the previous videos for further classification